Hello, welcome to Waypoint Survival. I really like this Stanley 2-cup cook set, but what do I do with these green cups? Stay tuned. When you get your Stanley 2-cup cook set, it comes with these 2 green cups. And, you know, they're pretty good cups. They work great. They're well insulated, and a lot of people like them. Of course, many people just take them out or throw them away or give them to somebody. And then inside the cook set, they'll put, you know, the small gas canister, a small stove, some, you know, silverware, cleaning utensils and such. But if you really want to keep and use both of these or just one of them, I have a couple of great solutions. One of my viewers asked me if I could come up with some way, find some lid that would fit on this. And so I actually have 2 lids that I want to be sharing with you. So let's get to that. So the first option that I want to show to you is made by this company called Silicone. And this is a lid that is sold separately. You don't have to buy this together, but this whole thing is made of silicone. And this is a fantastic lid. You can buy these separately. They're $4.95 plus shipping and handling. It has a built-in straw hole right here, and it has this great little push-pull tab. So you push this in like so, and it seals up just like that. And then when you pull this tab, it opens it up, and that helps resist spills. It's 100% food-grade silicone. It will not break, crack, chip, dent, fade, or scratch. And it is naturally antimicrobial, so that's a real good thing. So we go ahead and pull this out, and let's set that aside. And then as you can see, this fits absolutely perfectly inside of this green cup. Also, because of the shape and design of this, it's very close to the same diameter as the green cup. It slides down inside very nicely, and you still have a decent amount of space left if you want to put some other items inside. The next item you can get is on this insulated container. It's by Built, or it's called Built. But anyway, it is a 20-ounce tumbler. You can find this at Walmart, and it has what's called a durable threadless Titan lid, and it easily slides open and closed for one-handed drinking. And this is a pretty neat option as well. And it's got a little tab here. Just pull it off, set this aside, and then this fits perfectly inside of our cup. And so you can see here now we have a very easy, nice little lid that goes on top of the green cup. This also fits very well down inside and even gives you a little bit more room than the silicone one. So here they are side by side for a comparison. You can kind of see what it looks like. This one, of course, is a little taller than this one, and they're both not very expensive. And this one, of course, is $4.95 plus shipping and handling. This one's a little more expensive because you're getting that mug with it. It's like $7.95, but they're both great options. And I'll make sure and put some links down in the description box below where you can order these and have them sent to your house. But both of these enable you to use your cookware. Of course, they won't stack together with the lids on because they're meant to nest inside one another. But you could carry one or both, and then, you know, obviously you could store these somewhere else. But these are 2 ways that you can just continue to use your green cups, not to throw them away. And they are very useful, and this just makes them that much better. This is James Bender for Waypoint Survival. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure and check out the links in the description box below. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. We'd really appreciate it. And when you do subscribe, make sure and press that bell button so that you can stay notified of all of our upcoming videos, and we'll talk to you next time.